Every idea starts with a thought, something you want to build, design, or share. But before that idea becomes a working project, it often needs planning, structure, and the right set of tools. MGX is an AI-powered platform created to assist in this process. It helps users organize their ideas, plan features, and generate working projects through a guided and collaborative approach. In this video, we'll explore MGX in action and see how it can assist in creating a simple project. In this case, a portfolio website for my channel. We'll go through each step from setup to creation and understand how the platform functions in a practical, easy-to-follow manner. So let's begin. Now that we've introduced what we're going to build, let's move straight into the process. First, open your browser and go to the MetaGPT website. You'll find the link in the description, or you can simply search MetaGPT on Google. Once you're here, click on Start Building with AI. That will take you to mgx.dev, which is the main workspace for MGX. When the page loads, you'll notice a clean and minimal interface. Right in the center is a prompt box. This is where you can describe what you like to create. For this video, I've already written the prompt, so I'll paste it here. Below the prompt, there are several options that help you organize how your project will be built. The first one lets you upload a file or a folder. This is helpful if you already have any reference material or assets that you want to include in your project. Since we're creating a portfolio website for the AI Minds channel, I'm going to upload our channel logo here, so that MGX can use it later while designing the layout if needed. Next, you'll see two choices, team and engineer. Selecting engineer means one specialist handles the task. Choosing team brings together multiple AI teammates who each focus on a specific role. Like Mike, the team leader, Emma, the product manager, Bob, the architect, Alex, the engineer, and David, the data analyst. They collaborate to plan and develop your project based on your description. Right beside these options, there's a small adjustment icon. Clicking it opens two additional modes, race mode and deep research mode. Race mode is a feature that allows multiple AI agents to work in parallel, generating several variations of your project at the same time. Instead of creating just one version, MGX explores different approaches simultaneously. Similar to having several AI engineers brainstorming together, it then reviews and compares these versions, presenting a few refined options for you to choose from. This process helps you explore creative possibilities efficiently while maintaining consistency and flexibility in your results. Deep research mode, on the other hand, is designed for projects that benefit from additional context and preparation before development begins. When enabled, MGX activates a research agent that studies your topic, analyzing available data, trends, and relevant information from multiple sources. It then organizes these findings into structured insights, which the AI team can use to plan and build more context-aware applications or websites. This mode is especially useful when you want your project to be based on well-researched, data-supported information. Now getting back to where we left off. Beside the adjustment option, you get options to select among available models like Claude Sonnet 4.5, GPT-5, or Gemini 2.5 Pro. Each supports slightly different creative or technical tasks. For this example, I'm selecting Claude Sonnet 4.5. If you scroll down, you'll see the App World section. This area displays real examples of projects built with MGX, from websites and dashboards to data-driven tools. It's a great way to understand what's possible and to find inspiration for your own ideas. Once everything is set, we're ready to generate our project. As we do that, MGX begins structuring the project in the background. You'll notice that it starts by understanding the prompt we provided, then it gradually begins outlining how the website will be organized, from back-end logic to the interface design. At the top of the screen, you can see which team member is currently active and what task they're working on. Once the structure and styling are set, MGX begins assembling everything together, creating the sections, linking the layout, and preparing the page for live preview. After a short while, you'll see the completed interface appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you can see that our AI Minds portfolio website is ready, styled according to the details we included in the prompt. The color palette, gradient background, and smooth transitions are all in place. It includes our uploaded logo, the channel name, and the key details like start date, audience metrics, and contact information. But like any real project, there are always a few small details you might want to refine. For example, in the collaborations and partnerships section, I want the email label to clearly say email before showing the address, in the WhatsApp contact to display contact on WhatsApp, followed by the number. To make these updates, I'll use the chat box that appears on the left side of the screen. This is where I can directly interact with my team members. I can simply type a short message explaining what I'd like to change. So here I'll ask them to update the text format for the email and WhatsApp section. Once I send the message, I'll wait for a moment while the team reviews and applies the changes. The interface refreshes to show the live updated preview, with the new labels and layout adjustments already in place. So just like that, we've refined our portfolio website through a simple chat-based update process. Now that the updates are complete, let's take a quick look at the final tools and options MGX provides. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice two main options: Select to Edit and Select to Chat. If you choose Select to Edit, you can click on any element within your website and make direct visual edits. And if you choose Select to Chat, you can continue interacting with your AI team. Next, you can preview how your site looks across different devices. There's a simple toggle that lets you switch between mobile view and desktop view, so you can make sure everything looks consistent on both screens. Once everything looks ready, it's time to publish your website. Just click on the Publish button at the top. Here, you can either keep the latest version active or choose a specific version you want to publish. If you'd like to customize the domain, simply click on Edit, enter your preferred subdomain, and save it. After that, you can share your finished site. Click Share, and MGX provides multiple ways to do that. You can export your project, copy the website link, or share it on platforms like LinkedIn or X. Now that everything is live, let's open the website in a new tab. And here it is, AI Minds Portfolio website. It looks professional, clean, and visually aligned with the design details we defined earlier. We started with a simple idea, shared it through a prompt, collaborated with our AI team, and step-by-step turned it into a working, shareable website. If you'd like to explore MGX yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. Take your time experimenting with it and see how it can help you organize or present your own projects more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.